In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Revolut for my business, 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have a clear path from the first search to reaching your business dashboard. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. Make sure you're on the official site. On the home page, look for the option to create an account and click it. You'll first be asked to choose your country, so select where your business is based and confirm that Revolut supports that location. Then click Continue. Next, you'll choose your legal business type. Pick the option that matches your registration, such as a limited company, sole trader, partnership, or nonprofit. Click Continue to proceed. Enter your work email address, then continue. Head to your inbox and authorize the login by following the secure link from Revolut. This confirms you have access to that email. You'll now be prompted to enter a phone number. Double check the correct country code is selected, then continue. Enter the verification code sent to your phone to confirm the number. Create a strong password you can remember, ideally using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and click Continue. Provide your date of birth, then continue. Enter your residential address. This should match your official documents to avoid delays. Continue again. Search for your business's legal name and select it exactly as registered, then continue. Now add your business details. Enter the legal name, your official company, registration number, and the date of incorporation, all exactly as they appear on your records. Click Continue. Add your business address, city, and postcode. If your trading and registered addresses differ, use the registered one unless you're specifically told otherwise. Continue. You'll be asked to verify your identity. Click Continue. Choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport, national ID, or driver's license, and ensure it's valid and clearly readable. When prompted, start the short video recording. Position your face in good lighting, hold your ID steady, and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This step helps Revolut meet regulatory requirements and protect your account. After submitting your verification, Revolut will review your information. Approval times can vary, so keep an eye on your email. Once verified, you'll land on your dashboard. From there, you can explore accounts, cards, payments, and settings, and you're ready to move forward with your business banking.